Today we're diving into the exceptional cargo mat for Honda Pilot accessories, designed specifically for the 2023 to 2025 models, including the Trailsport TS, EXL, Touring, and Elite trims. This cargo mat boasts a precision fit, crafted with meticulous attention to detail to seamlessly integrate into the unique trunk dimensions of your Honda Pilot, ensuring every nook and cranny is covered with a snug fit. Made from high-quality TPE abrasion-resistant materials, this trunk mat is built to withstand daily wear and tear while offering outstanding waterproof properties to keep your vehicle's trunk pristine. Installation is a breeze with no tools required. Simply place the mat in position, press down, and let the magic tape secure it firmly, ensuring it won't slide or come loose during your drives. Cleaning is just as effortless, thanks to its detachable and washable design that allows for thorough removal of dirt and odors, maintaining a fresh atmosphere inside your car. The anti-slip design at the bottom of the mat enhances stability and safety, keeping items securely in place during your journeys and preventing accidents or damage. Experience the perfect blend of functionality and style with the cargo mat for Honda Pilot, and elevate your driving experience today.